on LeetCode problem number 7, and we're going to be coding it today in Python. Pretty excited. Just read through this a little bit, so I'm pretty confident. No submissions yet. We're not going to look at the solutions, but I think this looks like a good challenge because I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. So, given assigned 32-bit integer x, return x with its digits reversed. If reversing x causes the value to go outside of the assigned 32-bit integer range, as seen, then return 0. Assume the environment does not allow you to store 64-bit integers, signed or unsigned. And they gave us these examples here. So, I really want to try doing this, and I don't know if this is going to work. I want to first, I think, so basically this code defines a class as like solution, right? But okay, so we're going to check to see if x is a negative. That's just what we're going to do first. By comparing it with 0. And if it's a negative, then we should store it as a -1 and convert x to its absolute value using ABS function. Otherwise, we should set the sign to 0. So it's going to start here with an if else statement. Yeah. So if x is less than 0, then we're going to sign -1. X equals, and then we're going to say ABS x, and else sign 1. There we go. I feel like that's a really easy way to start. Not sure, but then I want to reverse the digits. So if it's 1, 2, 3, I want 3, 2, 1, right? So let's say we want the reversed. Yeah, I had that right. Reversed x. And I think I should convert it into a string of x, right? I should do reversed x. We should do integer string x, and then I should reverse the string using slicing, right? I think that makes sense, because then the next thing I want to do is I want to apply the sign to the reverse number by multiplying it with sign, if that makes sense. So like if I want reversed x and then I want it multiplied by the sign, right? So yeah, I think that would make sense. Yeah, let's do that. And then we want to see then, because we have to check that it, it's going to stay on that 32-bit if it's reversed. So let's check to see if the reversed is within that range. If it's outside, then let's have it return 0. So if reversed x -2 31, or reversed x. I always have a spelling error somewhere, and it just drives me nuts. -1. So that's to see if the number is a reversed number within the 32-bit integer. And then we're going to say return 0. And then, let's see. Oh, then we want to return the reversed x, because we want the reversed number. Okay. Okay, so reversed, yeah, this makes sense, I think. So, but how is this medium? I feel like I'm missing something. Am I missing something? I don't think I'm missing something. Let's run it. Ooh, nice! What a good day, man. See? There we go. There we go. We got that sign. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, cool beans. So let's submit this. See what it looks like compared to everybody. Okay. Okay. 47. Could have been better. Could have been better. Okay. So let's look at some of these solutions here in Python. 11 milliseconds. Okay, so they did this up here instead. Interesting. So they basically... Okay. Alright, alright. Okay, so that's a solution. 0 milliseconds. I do not believe it. Reverse 0. Sign 1 if else. Okay. Okay. So there's another solution. Same sort of vibe down here too. Here for it, here for it. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, that felt like it should have been easy. Glad it was medium because that was definitely the confidence boost I needed. So I will go ahead and do the next one in this, which is string to integer, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, also feel free to go onto my GitHub because I have all these solutions on GitHub. If you want to clone or fork the repository and find a better solution, you are more than welcome. That link is in the description. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.